Yes, I'm live now. Welcome once again to another new video. This is Santu Sahu and you are watching Sahu's tutorial. Do join quickly, and in this YouTube video here I'll be covering some important MCQ questions on ICT, that is Information and Communication Technology, from the syllabus of UGC NET Paper-I. Do join quickly. Here I'll be covering 35 important MCQ questions that is from the syllabus of UGC NET Paper-I. Good evening everyone, do join and let me share the link in my Telegram channel. Those who have not joined it, you can join the Telegram channel, that is Santu Sahu UGC NET. Do join quickly. Good evening everyone, is everything is okay? Is the PPT is visible to everyone? And so here I am to begin this mock test for the upcoming UGC NET exam. This is from the syllabus of UGC NET Paper-I. Do join quickly and let me know is everything is okay. So here I will be covering 30 important MCQ questions, 35 important MCQ questions, okay, with explanation as well, okay. And don't miss this session. It is going to be a very informative session, very fantastic sessions. Do join quickly. I'm waiting for all of you. Do join and let me know is everything is okay here. Have you joined? Please send me the confirmation here. Okay. So from the syllabus of UGC NET Paper-I, I'll be covering here 35 important MCQ questions. To join quickly. Okay. Yeah. Good evening. So yeah, I was waiting for you as well, and Sujorita and Subrangshu as well. So let's begin here. And Atmaja, Godot, everyone, those who have all okay. Yeah. Yeah. Let's get started with these questions. These are very important questions actually. So here is the first question on your screen. Everyone. Communication bandwidth that has the highest capacity and used by microwave, cable and fiber optics lines is known as. Communicative bandwidth, जो एक bandwidth होता है that has the capacity and used by microwave, cable, fiber optics lines is known as hyperlink broadband bus with carrier wave. Communication bandwidth that has the highest capacity. एक बैंडविड्थ जिसमें कैपेसिटी बहुत ज्यादा है और माइक्रोवेव, केबल, फाइबर ऑप्टिक्स लाइंस यूज किया जाता है. दैट इज हाइपरलिंक, दैट इज ब्रॉडबैंड, दैट इज बस विथ और कैरियर वेव. So read the line very carefully. Highest capacity. Communication bandwidth. It is broadband actually. Broadband is a communication bandwidth that has the highest capacity used by microwave, cable and fiber optics. It is broadband. Okay? And here is the explanation. Yeah, you have given B, na? No, you are actually right actually. Okay, I have actually thought that you have given A. 1B actually. Excellent. And you are right actually. I am extremely sorry. Okay, it was overlooked actually. So B was the right answer. You are actually correct. So broadband is the right answer. The communication bandwidth has the highest capacity and is used by microwave, cable and fiber optics lines is known as the broadband or high speed bandwidth. Broadband, that is known as also high speed bandwidth. This term refers to a range of frequencies or wavelengths that can support high speed data transmission over a communication channel. That is, good evening Sujit, that is here broadband communication technologies such as fiber optic cables, coaxial cables, microwave lines links offer much higher data transfer rates than the traditional narrowband communication technology like POTS, the full form of its plain old telephonic service or dial-up modems. मोडेम से ज्यादा होता है जो ब्रॉडबैंड जो है ना, ब्रॉडबैंड इट्स greater than the speed of the broadband is greater than modem से ज्यादा. ठीक है, चलो. The use of broadband communication technologies has revolutionized the way we communicate, allowing for faster and more efficient data transfer, internet access, video streaming. मैं क्या वीडियो स्ट्रीमिंग कैसे कर रहा हूँ, ब्रॉडबैंड से कर रहा हूँ, and other applications as well. चलो, what is the full form of the term IoT, often used in the context of modern technology and connectivity. Okay. What is the full form of the term IoT, often used in the context of modern technology and connectivity? Internet of Things. Okay, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay. It's okay. You can. What is the full form of the term IoT, often used in the context of modern technology and connectivity? Internet on Things, Internet of Things, Internet of Technology, Internet of Things. Excellent, excellent. Rao, Anindita, excellent. It is Internet of Things. IoT का full form क्या है? Internet of Things. पेपर वन का भी मॉक टेस्ट देना जरूरी है, ठीक है? पेपर वन इज एज इम्पोर्टेंट एज पेपर टू. सो इंटरनेट ऑफ थिंग्स इज द फुल फॉर्म ऑफ आईओटी. एक्सीलेंट सुचरिता एज वेल. द इंटरनेट ऑफ थिंग्स क्या है? व्हाट इज इंटरनेट? आईओटी क्या है? इट डिस्क्राइब्स डिवाइसेस जिसमें क्या है? सेंसर्स हैं. इट हैज द प्रोसेसिंग एबिलिटी, प्रोसेस करने का क्षमता भी इसके अंदर में है. इट इज अ सॉफ्टवेयर and the other technologies that connect and exchange data with other devices, systems over the internet or the other communication network के द्वारा क्या होता है? जो प्रोसेसिंग एबिलिटी है, सॉफ्टवेयर अदर टेक्नोलॉजी दैट कनेक्ट्स एक्सचेंज डेटा, डेटा को क्या करता है? कनेक्ट करता है, एक्सचेंज करता है विद अदर डिवाइस के साथ, ठीक है? दैट इज इंटरनेट ऑफ थिंग्स. थिंग्स encompasses electronics, communications, computer science, engineering. चलो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. DNS translates a domain name into what? A DNS translated a domain name. जो डोमेन नेम क्या होता है? आप एक वेबसाइट, when you are creating a website, when you are creating a website, you need a domain. When you are creating a website, you need a domain. जैसे कि we have our address, we have our address, permanent address. Like that, a website has also its address, that is called domain. So here, question number 3, a DNS translates a domain name into what? Binary, hex, IP, URL. A DNS translates a domain name into what? Have you got it? What is domain? Domain is a website. Domain is an address of a website. Like we have our permanent address. So we are living in India and in a specific state. Like that, we have a website, and website's address is the domain name. Okay. Now here IP. Excellent, excellent. It is here IP. What is the full form of DNS? What is the full form of DNS? What is the full form of DNS? Any domain? What is the full form of DNS? Write it down. That is the domain name system. क्या है? Domain name system. Domain name system is the full form of DNS, and here IP means Internet Protocol. IP का full form क्या है? Internet Protocol. ठीक है? What is the full form of IP? That is the Internet Protocol. And binary is always 0 and 1. Machine language. Binary क्या होता है? Binary is a machine language जहाँ पे 0 और 1 पे होता है. Binary 0 and 1 पे होता है. Got it? And what is the full form of URL? Any idea? Uniform Resource Locator. Uniform Resource Locator is the full form of resource locator. Resource locator is the full form of URL. Got it? Binary is always 0 and 1. Hex is hexadecimal. IP is Internet Protocol, and URL is Uniform Resource Locator. Okay. Chalo. And DNS is Domain Name System. Domain Name System. Okay. Got it, everyone? I didn't. Here you see the IP address is the answer actually. Domain name system translates domain names to a IP addresses, that is Internet Protocol addresses. So browsers can load internet resources. Each device connected to the internet has a unique IP address. Each device is connected has a unique IP address which other machines use to find the devices. Okay. Next question. What does MICR stand for? What does MICR stand for? Magnetic ink character reader, magnetic ink character recognition, magnetic image character recognition, magnetic character image reader. What does MICR stand for? MICR stand for what? Priyanka? Okay. Excellent. It's what does MICR stands for here? Exactly. It is magnetic ink character recognition. It is not character. It is not a reader. It is magnetic ink character recognition. MICR stands for excellent. Excellent. Priyanka, then Sturita, Anindita, then Rao. Excellent. It is magnetic ink character recognition is the full form of MICR. Now, what is magnetic ink character recognition? Is referred to a AMI. It is a pattern recognition to identify the originality of the document and enable the processing and check approval and other approvals of papers in banking. Banking में usually इसको याद किया जाता है. Usually इसको banking में use किया जाता है. MICR code, that is magnetic ink character code. It is a technology that uses specific characters and link. MICR code is a 9 digit. याद रखना MICR code is a 9 digit. क्या है 9 digit. Now tell me अनंदिता ISBN का कितना कोड था? ISBN का कितना कोड था, कितना नंबर था? Here MICR, is magnetic ink character, is a 9 digit code. क्या है 9 digit code that recognizes the bank and branch involved in ECS electronic clearing system uniquely. At the base of a check leap of text, check में रहता है MICR code रहता है. ठीक है. MICR code consists of 3 parts. One is city code, bank code and branch code. City code, bank code and branch code. ठीक है. ISBN का अंदर में कितना कोड रहता है? मैग्नेटिक इंक में 9 कोड रहता है और 13 एग्जैक्टली 13 नंबर रहता है. ठीक है. मैग्नेटिक इंक ISBN में. ठीक है. चलो. Which industry commonly utilizes 13 exactly 13 digits. Yeah. Which industry commonly utilizes MICR technology for processing financial transaction? For processing financial transaction कौन सा इंडस्ट्री MICR कोड को यूज करता है? हेल्थ केयर, रिटेल, बैंकिंग, एजुकेशन. अभी तो किया exactly it's banking. Exactly Priyanka, then Rao, it's banking. MICR code actually used by banking, especially the financial transaction के लिए banking use करता है. Excellent. It's banking is the right answer. Okay. Now video conferencing. Everyone, fantastic. Moving on to 6th question number. Video conferencing is an example of synchronous technology, asynchronous technology, both synchronous and asynchronous technology, and none of the above. Video conferencing जो होता है, video conferencing is an example of exactly Sudharita. So now here is question number 6 on your screen. Video conferencing is an example of video conferencing. You should know real there is a difference. Okay, real time में होता है और क्या होता है और डिले में होता है. जो कम्युनिकेशन होता है एक रियल टाइम में होता है और थोड़ा डिले में होता है. एग्जैक्टली इट इज सिंक्रोनस टेक्नोलॉजी. ठीक है. वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंसिंग इज एन एग्जांपल ऑफ सिंक्रोनस टेक्नोलॉजी. ठीक है. रियल टाइम में होता है. रियल टाइम में जो होता है दैट इज सिंक्रोनस. एट द सेम टाइम एसिंक्रोनस जब क्या होता है, जब डिले होता है कम्युनिकेशन पहुंचने में. ठीक है. दैट इज एसिंक्रोनस. हियर द सिंक्रोनस इज द राइट आंसर. जो रियल टाइम में होता है 2 वे में वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंसिंग हो रहा है. ठीक है. ऑडियो एंड विजुअल में हो रहा है और एट द सेम टाइम में हो रहा है. दैट्स व्हाई इट इज सिंक्रोनस टेक्नोलॉजी. इट इज रियल टाइम में हो रहा है. एक्सीलेंट. नो, इट्स नॉट सी, इट इज ए एक्चुअली प्रियंका. सो हियर ए इज द राइट आंसर. सिंक्रोनस कम्युनिकेशन क्या है और एसिंक्रोनस कम्युनिकेशन क्या है, यू शुड अंडरस्टैंड हियर. व्हाट इज सिंक्रोनस कम्युनिकेशन? Synchronous communication is the exchange of information between 2 or more people in real time. क्या है? रियल टाइम में जब इंफॉर्मेशन एक से दूसरे तक जाता है, जो एक्सचेंज होता है, दैट इज द सिंक्रोनस कम्युनिकेशन. इट मे बी इन पर्सन बट इट सर्टेनली डज नॉट हैव टू बी. इन एडिशन इन पर्सन कन्वर्सेशन और मीटिंग्स, फोन कॉल्स, वीडियो मीटिंग्स आर आल्सो एग्जांपल्स ऑफ. फोन कॉल, जो फोन में जो बात होता है, दैट इज आल्सो अ सिंक्रोनस कम्युनिकेशन. क्योंकि उसी समय तुमको रिप्लाई मिल रहा है. ठीक है. फोन कॉल्स, वीडियो मीटिंग्स आर आल्सो एग्जांपल्स ऑफ सिंक्रोनस कम्युनिकेशंस. जैसे कि व्हाट इज एसिंक्रोनस कम्युनिकेशन, यू शुड आल्सो अंडरस्टैंड. ओके. Asynchronous communication refers to any kind of communication where there is a delay between when a message is sent and when the person is on the other hand receiving and interprets it or replying it, understanding it, deciphering it. After understanding or deciphering the meaning what it is written, then he or she is replying. So there is a delay, the communication, there is a gap. So it is usually not an in-person type of communication, it is rarely scheduled. So जैसे कि email जो होता है कि asynchronous communication, ठीक है. चलो, TKDL stands for, what is the full form of TKDL? Are these questions informative? Am I able to make you understand ICT here? Like English literature? Literally, I am bored with English literature. That's why I have come here with a fresh questions on ICT. And nowadays, I will be focusing on paper 1. Nowadays, I will be focusing on paper 1 as well. Yeah. So TKDL stands for here. That is here Traditional Knowledge Digital Library. Okay. TKDL stands for Traditional Knowledge Digital Library here. So it is TKDL stands for Traditional Knowledge Digital Library. So B is the, now what is, you see what is Traditional Knowledge Digital Library? TKL क्या है? Traditional Knowledge Digital Library is an Indian digital knowledge repository of the traditional knowledge, especially about the medicinal plants and formulation used in the Indian systems of medicine. That was said in 2001 में said हुआ था, ठीक है. TKDL traditional knowledge को उस पर रखने के लिए, ठीक है, the Indian digital knowledge repository set up in 2001. It's a collaboration between Council of Scientific and Industry, that is CSIR, and then the MH Minister of Health and Family Welfare India. The objective of library is to protect the, इसको याद रखना, इसका जो TKDL का objective क्या है? This is very important. क्या है? इसको याद रखना. This is very important. The objective of the library, that is TKDL, is to protect the ancient and the traditional knowledge. क्या है? Ancient and traditional knowledge को protect करने के लिए TKDL को establish किया गया था, ठीक है. To protect the ancient and traditional knowledge of the country from exploitation through biopiracy and unethical patents by documenting it electronically and classifying it as per international patent classification system. जो भी है, that is to protect the ancient traditional knowledge of country from the exploitation through biopiracy. That is TKDL. Remember it. This is the objective. Question answer था उसका objective क्या है TKDL का. What is the full form of NPTEL? What is the full form of NPTEL? Options are here. NPTEL. NPTEL. What is the full form of NPTEL? TEL, sorry. So TKDL का जो intention था is to protect the ancient. Priyanka, excellent. Priyanka, excellent. National Program on Technology Enhanced Learning. Excellent. So NPTEL stands for National Program EL here Enhanced Learning. National Program on, excellent Priyanka. It is National Program on Technology Enhanced Learning is the full form of NPTEL. Excellent. And everyone right? No, it's A actually. ठीक है? Ananta. Okay. ठीक है? Okay. So NPTEL, it is National Program on Technology Enhanced Learning, is a joint venture by the IITs and the IIS, funded by MOE, Ministry of Education, Government India. It was launched in 2003. It was launched in 2003. NPTEL. So initially started as a project to take qualified education to take quality education to all the corners of the country. NPTEL, National Program on Technology Enhanced Learning, offers close to 600 plus courses for certification every semester in about 22 disciplines. Some highlights are here also given. Largest online repository in the world of courses in engineering. YouTube channel for NPTEL is also here. Most subscribed educational channel 1.3 billion views, 40 plus lakh subscriber as well, more than तो hours video content, and translation of more than 12,000 hours of English transcription in regional language में है. चलो next question. Which of the following open source e-learning platform has been developed by IIT Kanpur? Which of the following open source e-learning platform has been developed by IIT Kanpur? E-Gyan, E-Saraswati, then Brihaspati, none of the above. Which of the following open source e-learning platform has been developed? अच्छा. Okay, it's not A. Open source e-learning, it's not A, it's not B, it is actually Brihaspati. Okay, MOOC was there, but now here this option is Brihaspati actually. Here it is Brihaspati. Remember, it's Brihaspati is the right answer. IIT Kanpur had developed Brihaspati actually. And you see, what is Brihaspati in IIT Kanpur? Brihaspati virtual classroom is a software developed by IIT Kanpur. It is it is an open platform for learning based on the Java servlets content delivery system. Admin has the main authority of Brihaspati. The cost of the software is free and anybody can log in into Brihaspati as a guest. IIT Kanpur ने Brihaspati launched किया था. Brihaspati, ठीक है? IIT Kanpur, and this is right actually, 100% right. Which of the following is also termed as multimedia education? Multimedia. ICT supported, ICT enabled, ICT education. Easy one. फटाफट करो. Which of the following is also termed as multimedia education? To bring freshness, I have come with ICT questions. Okay. Literally every day mock test करवा के मैं बहुत थक गया. Excellent, Priyanka. It's ICT supported education. Which of the following is also termed as a multimedia education? ICT supported education. ICT supported education is actually multimedia education. ICT supported, जहाँ पे ICT multimedia कैसा है? बहुत सारा मीडिया अप्लाई कर सकते हैं. ICT supported education इस पर. चलो. ERNET stands for. Excellent, Sucharita, and Priyanka as well. Rao as well. That is Education and Research Network. So, excellent. Education and Research Network is ERNET. Education and Research Network is an autonomous scientific society of the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology. ERNET has made a significant contribution to the emergence of network in the country. It practically brought the internet to India. It is the first internet service in India. Remember, ERNET is the ERNET is the first internet service in India. First internet service in India. इसको याद रखना, ठीक है? चलो, C is the right answer actually. which of the following is not included the four basic dimensions of ICT? The four basic dimensions of ICT, इसमें कौन सा नहीं है? देखो यूजुअली जो होता है, यूजुअली जो आईसीटी का जो होता है, फर्स्ट इज कनेक्टिविटी, यूजुअली जो होता है कनेक्टिविटी, उसके बाद कंटेंट होता है, कैपेसिटी होता है एंड कोलैबोरेशन होता है। कनेक्टिविटी, कंटेंट, कैपेसिटी एंड कोलैबोरेशन यूजुअली जो होता है, ठीक है। बट हेयर इसका अंदर में पड़ रहा है, तो इसमें जो एटीट्यूड इज नॉट डीलिंग विद हियर, एटीट्यूड इज द राइट आंसर। MICR में C स्टैंड्स फॉर क्या है? इजी वन, फटाफट करो। इन MICR मैग्नेटिक इंक कैरेक्टर रीडर C स्टैंड्स फॉर व्हाट? C stands for character. चल, C stands for character. Tomorrow I will be coming with relations, जो है ना relationship जो होता है ना पेपर 1 में, और जो भी है I will be trying to come with math part as well. चलो, here D is the answer. What is a packet? कंप्यूटर में, ठीक है। What is a packet in computer network? What is a packet? Easy one, अब बोलो। What is a पैकेट क्या होता है कंप्यूटर नेटवर्क में? What is a packet in computer networking? Do like the session as well. Those who have not joined yet, we can join the Telegram channel, that is UGC NET. What is a package in computer networking? 13. Fantastic, Priyanka. A type of file format used for storing data on computer, that is wrong. A type of computer virus, wrong. A physical device used to connect multiple computers, physical device तो नहीं है. Fantastic, Priyanka. It's a unit of data. Packet क्या है? This is a unit of data transmitted over a network. एक नेटवर्क से कितना जो डेटा ट्रांसमिट होता है, that is packet बोला जाता है. That is the explanation. A unit of data transmitted over network is a packet. In computer networking, a packet क्या है? Is a unit of data that is transmitted over a network. It consists of a header and a payload, and it's used in packet switching to efficiently transmit data between devices on a network. That is a packet data. What does USB stands for? What does USB stands for? What does USB stands for? Fantastic, 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 Priyanka. So Priyanka, you are coming with paper 1. You are not coming with paper 2. It is universal serial bus. Okay. USB का full form क्या है? Universal serial bus, USB. Exactly, everyone right. Priyanka, Sucharita, and everyone right. What does ISP? Rao, excellent. It is got it. Now tell me, ISP stands for here. 15 is on your screen. Hmm. 15A. Exactly, it is Internet Service Provider. I. Hmm. Hmm. Int. Sorry. So this one. प्रोवाइडर इंटरनेट क्या है? हाँ ठीक है. इंटरनेट सर्विस प्रोवाइडर, ISP, इंटरनेट सर्विस प्रोवाइडर. चलो, व्हाट इज WLAN stands for? WLAN. ISP is internet service provider. What does WLAN stands for? Which one, Priyanka? D? Which one? It's not wide, okay? It's wireless. ठीक है? पूरा सारा 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 कैसे वायरलेस होगा ना? वायरलेस होगा. वायरलेस लोकल इलेक्ट्रेट होगा. W मीन्स वायरलेस लोकल एरिया नेटवर्क. चलो, FTP stands for? Excellent. Excellent, Priyanka. File transfer protocol. Excellent. FTP stands for file transfer protocol. Fantastic. It's file transfer protocol is the FTP. Hello. PDS stands for? PDS stands for? Easy one. चलो फटाफट करो. Hmm. 18. Hmm. Hmm. Portable document format. Very fast. Fantastic. Very fast. What does BIOS? now बोलो. अभी बोलो. BIOS stands for? BIOS क्या है? Basic input output system, basic internal operating system, business input आउटपुट सिस्टम, बिजनेस इंटरनल ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम. बायोस क्या है? नाइनटीन इज ऑन स्क्रीन. Excellent. Basic input output system, BIOS. Basic input output system. Basic. Excellent, Priyanka. Everyone right? Rao, Sucharita, everyone. Basic input output system is BIOS. Fantastic. Fantastic. What is JPEG? Now थोड़ा सा टफ, थोड़ा सा. JPEG फॉर्मेट जो होता है, PNG, JPEG फॉर्मेट. JPEG stands for what? JPEG format stands for? और PNG का फुल फॉर्म क्या है? ठीक है, इसको लिख लेना, ठीक है। जॉइंट फोटोग्राफिक एक्सपर्ट्स ग्रुप, JPEG स्टैंड्स फॉर जॉइंट फोटोग्राफिक एक्सपर्ट्स ग्रुप, ठीक है। JPEG जॉइंट फोटोग्राफिक एक्सपर्ट्स ग्रुप, इसको साथ में लिख लेना। PNG क्या है? पोर्टेबल, PDF से P पोर्टेबल, पोर्टेबल NG नेटवर्क ग्राफिक। PNG का फुल फॉर्म क्या है? पोर्टेबल नेटवर्क ग्राफिक, पोर्टेबल नेटवर्क ग्राफिक, ठीक है। एंड जॉइंट फोटोग्राफिक एक्सपर्ट्स ग्रुप, JPEG जॉइंट फोटोग्राफिक एक्सपर्ट्स ग्रुप, JPG और JPEG, कुछ समय में JPG बोला हो जाता है और JPEG बोला जाता है, जॉइंट फोटोग्राफी एक्सपर्ट्स ग्रुप, which is the name of a group who created the JPEG standard, ठीक है। चलो, PNG का फुल फॉर्म क्या है? लिखो, what is the full form of PNG? write it in the comment box। JPEG का PNG लिखते जाओ धीरे धीरे। Sending and receiving message and signals occurring at the same time is denoted by, for a better understanding, I have again given this question। PNG का फुल फॉर्म क्या है? पोर्टेबल, देन N फॉर नेटवर्क, G फॉर ओके, हियर एक्सीलेंट, ऐसे लिखते जाओ। चलो, रियल टाइम में होगा तो क्या होगा? सिंक्रोनस होगा। सेंडिंग एंड रिसीविंग मैसेजेस, सिग्नल्स एंड ऑकरिंग at the same time is denoted by here synchronous। Some students are also here even have not started their PG classes, joining UGC NET Paper-I, fantastic। here it is synchronous। चलो, recording a television program on a VCR, that is video cassette। क्या है? वीडियो कैसेट रिकॉर्डर। हाँ, वीडियो कैसेट है, VCR वीडियो कैसेट रिकॉर्डर इज एन एग्जांपल ऑफ टाइम शिफ्टिंग, कंटेंट रेफरेंस, मैकेनिकल क्लैरिटी, मीडिया सिंक्रोनाइजेशन। क्या होता है? देखो, जब कोई ब्रॉडकास्टिंग चल रहा है ना, इस ब्रॉडकास्टिंग को क्या कर रहा है? रिकॉर्ड कर रहा है, ठीक है, वीडियो कैसेट कर रहा है बाद में देखने के लिए। दैट इज रिकॉर्डिंग अ टेलीविजन प्रोग्राम ऑन अ VCR इज एन एग्जांपल ऑफ video cassette recorder। exactly, and exactly awesome Priyanka, that is time shifting। exactly, everyone, Sucharita as well, it is time shifting, ठीक है। recording a television program on a VCR is example of time shifting is the right answer। fantastic, here 22A is the right answer, time shifting, that is broadcasting। and here is the explanation you see in broadcasting what happened। time shifting is the recording of programming to a storage medium। time shifting is the recording of a programming to a storage medium। एक storage medium में उसको क्या रिकॉर्ड करके रखता है? to be viewed or listened to after the live broadcasting। live broadcasting होने के बाद में उसको देखने के लिए रिकॉर्ड करके स्टोरेज में रख रहा है। Here VCR stands for video cassette recorder। in recent years the invention of digital video recorder has made time shifting easier। DVD, अब VCR वीडियो रिकॉर्डर अब क्या है? डिजिटल वीडियो रिकॉर्डर, क्या है? DVR क्रिएट हुआ है, ठीक है। पहले क्या था? वीडियो कैसेट रिकॉर्डर था, अब क्या डिजिटल, अभी का रिसेंट ईयर्स में क्या आया? DVR आया। हैज मेड टाइम शिफ्टिंग इजियर यूजिंग एन इलेक्ट्रॉनिक प्रोग्राम गाइड, EPG इलेक्ट्रॉनिक प्रोग्राम गाइड, एंड रिकॉर्डिंग शोज ऑनटू अ हार्ड डिस्क में रिकॉर्ड करके हम रखते हैं, ठीक है। some DVRs have other possible time shifting methods such as being able to, जो भी है, but it is so an electronic billboard that has a short text or graphical advertising message is referred to as graphical advertising message referred to as। क्या है? स्कूल में जो बुलेटिन बोर्ड रहता है, इसमें क्या है? इलेक्ट्रॉनिक बिलबोर्ड that has a short text और graphical advertising, eye catching words रहेगा for the purpose of advertising, ठीक है। Okay, It's not strap, it's not bridge line. Now we have two options left, bulletin and banner. ठीक है? An electronic billboard that has a short text or graphical advertising referred to as, it's not, everyone will answer it bulletin, it's not bulletin, it's a banner. It's a banner actually. It's a banner. Banner is the right answer. And here is the explanation. What is banner? Fantastic Sucharita. Fantastic Sucharita. An electronic billboard that has a short text or graphical advertising message is typically referred to as a banner. ठीक है? An electronic billboard that has a short text or graphical advertising message is typically referred to as a banner. Banners are common form of digital advertising. क्या है? These are forms of digital advertising and can be found on websites, social media platforms, other online channels as well. They are often designed to be eye-catching and attention-grabbing with the goal of driving traffic to a website or promoting product or service. In addition to digital banners, physical banners are also commonly used for advertising. So we have digital banners as well as physical banners. Marketing purposes के लिए हम use करते हैं, particularly in outdoor settings like trade shows, events and storefronts. So we have here that is digital banners as well as physical banners. So banner is an electronic billboard that has a short text or graphical advertising message. Which of the following is not a computer knowledge? Which of the following is not a computer knowledge, computer language? तो क्या है? अगर यूनक्स कंप्यूटर लैंग्वेज नहीं है तो वह क्या है? If यूनक्स is not a computer language, then what is it? So COBOL, Pascal and Fortran. So what is the full form of Fortran? Formula, I think it is formula translation such भी है जो भी I can't remember exactly. So Unix is actually a OS. क्या है? This is operating system. ये क्या है? Operating system. जैसे Windows के operating system. ठीक है? So Linux is actually an operating system, whereas COBOL, Pascal, Fortran, ठीक है? These are all computer language. What is the full form of COBOL? Common Business Oriented Language. Common Business Oriented Language. एक बार चेक कर लेना COBOL का फुल फॉर्म क्या है. थैंक यू प्रियंका. फॉर्मूला ट्रांसलेशन एक्सीलेंट प्रियंका फॉर कंफर्मिंग मी. COBOL इज एक्चुअली, COBOL बहुत दिन नहीं पढ़े हैं, हाँ याद भी. So COBOL is actually Common Business Oriented. It's COBOL Common Business Oriented Language and formula translation is Fortran. Excellent. चलो. And Unix is actually operating system like Windows. ठीक है? Sure. Thank you. CorelDRAW is a popular text program, illustration program, programming language. None of the above. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah. Common Business Oriented Language. Yeah. COBOL. मैंने तो बहुत दिन तक पेपर क्या आईसीटी नहीं पढ़े हैं. Yeah, in the upcoming days, I am also hoping to make more videos on UGC NET Paper-I as well, covering everything one by one with theory classes as well as MCQ. Stay tuned, those who have not joined yet. My Telegram channel, that is Santu Sahu UGC NET, do join the Telegram channel Santu Sahu UGC NET. Definitely you will be benefited by joining that Telegram channel. You will be updated regarding the classes. You will be getting PDFs, notes and mock test as well. CorelDRAW क्या है? एक illustration program होता है. It's not text program, it's programming language. Illustration, illustrate होता है. Illustration program. CorelDRAW is a popular illustration program. अब CorelDRAW क्या है? ठीक है. Here is the explanation. देखो, it is a very powerful program. क्या है? That is a CorelDRAW. Talking about here, CorelDRAW. CorelDRAW is a powerful program that is arguably the most mature competitor of Illustrator among all vector apps. These are all vector apps on the market. CorelDRAW is a vector based software. ये क्या है? This is software developed by Coral Corporation, was first released in 1989. Most commonly it is used for creating logos, invitation cards, brochures, any kind of project that requires vector based design. So Coral Draw is a vector based design. It is used for creating logos, invitation cards, brochures, any kind of project. And what is Illustrator का काज क्या है? ये Illustrator का काम क्या है? हम लोग we are selling that this is an Illustrator. Illustrator का काम क्या है? Illustrator is a graphic design application. ये क्या है? एक graphic design application. Graphic designers use Illustrator to create vector graphics, vector image, and graphics are made of points, lines, shapes, curves based on mathematical formula rather than a set of amount of pixels. So rather than a pixels, and therefore can be scaled up or down while maintaining image quality. So using points, lines, and shapes. This is Illustrator का काम है. ठीक है? Graphical representations, graphic designer. DPI stands for here dots per inch, digits per inch, dots pixel inch, diagrams per inch. What do you mean by the word DPI? Dot per inch, digit per inch, dots pixel inch. Which one? 26 is on screen. वीडियो को एक बार लाइक कर देना और टेलीग्राम चैनल ज्वाइन कर लेना, सब्सक्राइब कर देना. ठीक है? It's dot per inch. Excellent. DPI stands for dot per inch. Everyone write here. Everyone write. Dots per inch the right answer. ठीक है? चलो. The process of copying files to a CD-ROM. What is the full form of CD-ROM? Is known as the process of copying files to a CD-ROM. That is compact disk read only memory. क्या है? CD means compact disk. क्या है? Compact disk read only memory. Read only memory. ठीक है? The process of copying files to a CD-ROM is known as zipping, ripping, burning, digitizing. क्या है? Here copying means is okay, I'm telling it. Copying files to a CD-ROM. That is writing. Actually writing down. Okay. Compact disk read only memory. It's not zipping, it's not ripping, it's not digitizing. It is burning. बहुत अच्छे तरीके से याद रखना. That is very important process. This is called burning. क्या? Burning. Burning means it's a colloquial word. Burning is a colloquial word, but its literal meaning here is actually writing down. Writing down. Writing down. Yeah, it's burning. So it's excellent. It's burning. It's burning. That is writing down actually. Content को लिखना है. That is burning बोला जाता है उसको. The process of copying files to a compact disk read-only memory is known as burning. That is writing down. Got it? It's a very important questions. Okay. Virtual memory क्या होता है? What is virtual memory? An extremely large main memory, an extremely large secondary memory, a type of memory used in supercomputers, and illusions of extremely large main memory. I'll be coming with a lot of questions in the upcoming days. The upcoming UGC NET Paper-I exam. ठीक है? With new updates as well. Definitely, if I get okay good response from all of you, if I get good response from all of you, definitely I'll be hoping to make videos more than this, and with explanation as well, with better content. What is virtual memory? Excellent. Excellent, Sucharita. Yeah, this is an illusion. Virtual memory क्या है? Virtual memory is actually an illusion of extremely large main memory. An illusion of extremely large memory is virtual memory. देखते हैं क्वेश्चन क्या बोल रहा है. In computing, virtual memory और virtual storage is a memory management, क्या है? It's a memory management technique that provides an idealized abstraction of the storage resources that are actually available in a given machine, which creates the illusion to users of a very large main memory. Creates the illusion to users of very large main memory. Idealized abstraction of the storage resources that are actually available on a given machine. जैसे कि हम लोग जो पेटीएम जो एप्स खुलते हैं, पेटीएम एप्स में हम लोग क्या मिलता है? एक वर्चुअल डेबिट कार्ड मिलता है ना, वर्चुअल डेबिट कार्ड, ठीक है, दैट इज वर्चुअल मेमोरी है, बट वर्चुअल डेबिट कार्ड मिलता है ना, वो फिजिकली नहीं आता है, वर्चुअल डेबिट कार्ड भी उधर पर मिलता है, यार इट इज वर्चुअल मेमोरी. चलो, HTML बहुत ही दिया है. HTML, that is what is the full form of HTML? Now HTML is used for what reason? Now tell me. Excellent, Priyanka. It's hypertext markup language. Hypertext markup language. Fantastic. HTML. COBOL common business oriented language. Hmm. 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 So here HTML is used to create for web server. It is used to web page. Web page create करने में HTML यूज किया जाता है. Web page, ठीक है. Here is the right answer. हाँ, everyone right actually. In computer, a byte generally consists of what? 2 bits, 4 bits, 8 bits, 16 bits. A byte. A byte stands for what? Hmm. Excellent. A byte is 8 bits. 1 byte equals to 8 bits. Hmm. Very good. Very good. Very good. Excellent. Chalo. Next question. Which is the largest unit storage among the following? Gigabyte, GB. Hmm. Everyone right? Kilobyte, KB, MB, megabyte, terabyte, TB. Chalo. Which is the largest unit of storage among the following? Easy one. फटाफट करो. I have only 2-3 questions there. 2-3 questions left only. चलो फटाफट करो. Hmm. It's TB. Yeah. Terabyte. TB is the largest. No. GB से क्या होता है? TB होता है, ठीक है? It's terabyte. TB. KB से MB, MB से GB, GB से TB. चलो. The concept of connect intelligence is derived from virtual reality, fuzzy logic, Bluetooth technology, validated networks. Validated networks. Validated. The concept of current intelligence, value-added networks. B is the right answer. B. In the hypermedia database, information bits are stored in the form of what? Information bits are stored in the form of signals, cubes, nodes, symbols. In the hypermedia database, information bits are stored in the form of Mhm. Hmm. Hmm. It is C actually nodes. Hmm. Nodes is the excellent. In hypermedia database, information bits are stored in the form of hypermedia documents or nodes. These documents or nodes contain both data and links to other related documents and nodes, allowing users to navigate and explore the database in a non-linear way. And today's last question on your screen. What is a blog? Blog क्या है? An intranet, online music, personal or corporate Google search, a personal or corporate website in the form of an online journal. What is a blog? I'll be ending here with this question. Hmm. Okay, got it. Hmm. Hmm. Everyone right? First, Priyanka, Rao, Anandita, Shrita, everyone. It's a personal and corporate website in the form of an online journal. Okay. This is here your that is blog. BLOG. ठीक है. Good night everyone. I'll be ending it here. ठीक है. So have you enjoyed this session here? Probably this is the first session. Okay. On ICT. So I'll be ending it here. Good night everyone. In the upcoming days, I will be coming with a very tough question as well. Yeah, good night, everyone. Chalo. Chalo. Good night, everyone. Chalo.